You know that feeling when you step outside in your hijab on a blazing summer day and within minutes it's like you're wrapped in a heat wave? Sweat starts building up, your scarf sticks to your skin, and suddenly looking put together feels like a struggle. Ugh, I've been there. But here's the thing, most of us are making small mistakes that make hijab wearing in summer way harder than it needs to be. And get this, some fabrics actually trap heat, making us sweat even more. The good news? I've figured out how to stay cool, comfy, and stylish in a hijab even in the hottest weather. From picking the right fabrics to simple styling tricks that actually work, I'll share everything I've learned, plus a few surprising facts and my own summer hijab struggles. So, if you're tired of feeling like a walking sauna every time you step out, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your hijab fresh, breathable, and effortlessly chic, even when it's scorching outside. I'll never forget my worst summer hijab disaster. It was boiling a solid 40 degrees Celsius and I had an outdoor event to attend. I thought I had picked the perfect hijab, lightweight, breathable, or so I thought. The moment I stepped outside, I could feel the heat creeping in. Within minutes, my hijab was basically a personal sweat trap. My scalp got itchy, my forehead was drenched, and to make things worse, my hijab kept slipping because of all the sweat. No matter how much I adjusted it, it just got worse. By the time I reached the event, I was exhausted, uncomfortable, and honestly, a little embarrassed. Was I the only one struggling like this? That's when I started digging into why this was happening. Turns out I was making so many mistakes, wearing the wrong fabric, layering too much, and even using an undercap that made things worse. I realized not all hijabs are summer-friendly and how we style them makes a huge difference. From that day on, I made it my mission to find the best ways to beat the heat in a hijab, and trust me, the solutions I found were absolute game changers. Now, let's talk about the surprising mistakes most hijabis don't even realize they're making. Did you know that some hijab fabrics can actually raise your body temperature? Yep. Studies show that synthetic materials like polyester trap heat and block airflow, which means more sweating and discomfort. And guess what? A lot of us wear polyester hijabs in summer without even realizing it. But that's just the beginning. Here are a few more mistakes that could be making your hijab experience way harder in the heat. Wearing thick undercaps. Cotton undercaps absorb sweat but take forever to dry, leaving your scalp damp and uncomfortable. Layering too much. Sure, layering adds volume, but it also traps heat. Instead, go for lightweight, single-layer styles. Using silk or satin directly on hair, they might look fancy, but they don't absorb sweat well, which means your hijab is way more likely to slip. And here's a shocking fact. Dermatologists warn that excessive sweating under a hijab, especially with the wrong fabric, can lead to scalp irritation, dandruff, and even hair loss. But don't worry. The good news is that once you switch to the right fabrics and styling tricks, all these problems disappear. Up next, I'll share the best breathable fabrics and heat-proof styling hacks to keep you looking fresh all day long. Now that we know the mistakes, let's talk solutions. Choosing the right fabric makes all the difference in keeping your hijab light, airy, and comfortable in the heat. Best breathable fabrics for summer hijabs. Cotton voile, super light, airy, and absorbs sweat without feeling heavy. Linen hijabs, naturally breathable and perfect for extreme heat. Modal fabric, soft, smooth, and moisture-wicking. Bamboo hijabs, a hidden gem. Naturally antibacterial and fights odor buildup. Chiffon, if layered lightly, sheer and breathable, but don't overdo the layers. Smart styling hacks to stay cool. Swap thick undercaps for mesh or jersey, better airflow, less sweat. Loosen up your hijab style, tight wraps trap heat, but draped styles allow airflow. Pick lighter colors, pastels and neutrals reflect heat, while dark colors absorb it. Ditch excessive layering. Use lightweight magnetic pins or silicone bands instead. And here's a pro tip, if you'll be outside for hours, try lightly misting your hijab with rose water before heading out. It keeps you feeling fresh and prevents overheating. Up next, let's talk about the hottest summer hijab trends for 2025. Fashion and comfort? You can totally have both even in summer. The latest 2025 hijab trends prove you don't have to suffer for style. Trending hijab styles for summer 2025. Minimalist drapes, loose, effortless styles that let your skin breathe. Pastel and earthy tones, think soft beige, mint green, blush pink, and sky blue. Textured fabrics, crinkled cotton and linen are huge this year, zero ironing needed. Magnetic pins and no-pin hijabs, no more pricking yourself in the heat. Co-ord hijab and outfit sets, matching hijabs with flowy summer dresses equals effortless chic. And don't forget the accessories. Lightweight sunglasses, breathable hijab caps, and cute summer headbands can instantly level up your look while keeping you cool. Now let's talk about keeping your hijabs fresh and long-lasting all summer. Keeping your hijabs fresh in summer is just as important as choosing the right ones. Sweat, dust, and humidity can make hijabs lose their freshness fast, but don't worry, I've got you covered. How to keep hijabs fresh and odor-free. Use a fabric mist, rose water, or a light refresher spray keeps hijabs smelling fresh. Air them out, don't fold them right away, let them breathe first. DIY natural refreshers, a lavender or citrus sachet in your hijab drawer equals instant freshness. Best washing techniques for summer hijabs. Cold water only, hot water weakens fabric fibers. Mild detergent, harsh chemicals make hijabs stiff. Avoid direct sunlight drying, it fades colors. Dry in the shade instead. With these simple tricks, your hijabs will stay fresh, soft, and stylish no matter how hot it gets. And that's a wrap. From breathable fabrics to styling hacks and the latest trends, now you know exactly how to keep your hijab looking fresh and stylish even in extreme heat. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest summer hijab struggle? Drop a comment below and let's share our best tips. And if this video helped, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more hijab styling tips. Stay cool, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next one.